Hi YouTube. Last week my boss lent me his Oculus Rift, so I could make a prototype and a demo, so I could show it to a class how to implement and use the Oculus Rift in Unity 3D. And in the last 48 hours I've worked on a little prototype game that I was kind of proud of it, so much that I wanted to show it to you today. So I use the Wii remote to make a bowling game that play kind of like the original Wii sport game from Nintendo, but use the Oculus Rift as the main display. So let me show you what it does. So here it is. So as you can see, there's the Oculus Rift. I've already set my name in the background. Also, well, as you can see, there's the scoreboard. There's a little camera over there that shows a better look at the pins, because, well, the Oculus Rift, at least the development unit is not very high res, so everything is pixelated. You cannot really see the pins, you just see a block of pixel, so you can follow the action over there. So here we have the reference of what pins are still left, and I've used the unified code to implement the Wii remote on the Macintosh version. I'm gonna implement it on Windows in the future, but I've used the orientation from for the bowling at the beginning, and everything is supposed to be up to scale. At least I've tried to make it as close to reality as possible. I've tweaked it a little bit to make it more realistic when you play it, but basically it plays just like the Wii Fit version. So you can use the D-pad to actually move your feet, and you can press A to change your stance, so you can actually change the rotation. And it's hard for me to do it with just one hand, but still. So on the floor you have the reference that show you with what mode you're in. I'm still working on the reset button for the camera. Right now you can reset the whole game, so if you haven't started, you can actually set yourself up and then just press the plus button to actually reset the entire scene. And when you're ready to play, well, just like on Wii Sport, you press the B button and you give your swing. So here we go, and you can follow it right there. And you have the score appear there. So the last throw was not very strong. This one should be better. There we go, got the spare. And yeah, when you're wearing the Oculus Rift, it's a lot more immersive. The sound effect is not quite there yet. It's just a 48-hour prototype. I have not yet made menus and all of the components, but I have the core of the scene. I already had the bowling alley, the pin, and the bowling ball that I had made earlier, but it was not unwrapped, so I decided to make this outlined, kind of Tron-like style, which is kind of suitable for the virtual reality. And when you're playing it, it's really immersive actually. The bowling ball feel kind of real, and the height of the floor and everything. So when you play this game, it really feel good. I wouldn't have talked about it if I wasn't proud about the end result. I'm gonna try to put a little bit more footage of the gameplay in a way that would be suitable to watch it with 3D glasses on YouTube. So if you have a 3D display, you're going to be able to see what you're able to see in the camera when you play the game. So I hope you enjoyed.